Hello everyone, I'm Marcus here, and welcome back. Today is July 20th, 2026. And if you've been thinking about using ViewerBoss for Kick viewers and followers, you might be wondering whether there are better alternatives available. I compared several platforms, checked their features, and went through the ordering process to see what really matters for streamers. After choosing a package, you go to checkout, review the details, enter the required info, and select a payment method. Before ordering, always check the refund policy, delivery details, and support options is key to testing any working platform. To get started, open Google and search for ViewerBoss.com. Click on the first link to visit their website, then navigate directly to the Buy Kick View Bot section. Here, enter your Kick username in the provided field and click Continue. Then select the specific number of viewers you need, with available quantities ranging from the smallest package to larger package options. After that, click Register to access the dashboard. Sign up for an account, click Register to Dashboard, then sign up and create your ID and password. After that, select your plan and proceed to the next page for the payment options. This was ViewerBoss. Now let's look at the other alternatives to ViewerBoss for Kick viewers and followers in a simple and straightforward way. FollowersPanda website is easy to navigate, and finding the Kick viewers and followers section only takes a few clicks. Let's start practically. As you can see on the screen, this Kick account currently has only 2 viewers and very few followers. To increase these numbers, we are going to buy a Kick viewer bot package for this account and go through the setup step by step. First, search for FollowersPanda on Google and open the website. Then go to the Kick services page and select the Kick viewer bot option. You will see 3 pricing tiers along with useful features like a control panel, custom chat messages, viewer intervals, and Prime Kick subs. For this demo, let's choose the 7-day package that starts at $20. It includes 20 viewers, 15 chatbots with AI chat, and 25 followers. Click the package and continue to checkout. On the checkout page, enter your Kick username and email address, agree to the terms, and proceed to checkout. Then create your account using the OTP sent to your email, enter the OTP and set a secure password, and click Proceed to Checkout. You will then see 3 payment options: Stripe, PayPal, and Wallet. Stripe gives a 15% discount, PayPal adds a 15% fee, and Wallet gives a 25% discount. For this demo, I will add funds to my wallet using crypto and then complete the payment. Once the payment is done, the order is confirmed. In my orders, the status shows as processing. After that, you can check the Kick channel and see the followers, viewers, and chat activity delivered. From the control panel, you can pause or resume viewers, edit chat messages, and adjust the interval timing to control how viewers join during your stream. This gives you more control while streaming live. So that was my comparison of the most popular Twitch growth services. Based on my comparison after checking the features, delivery options, and overall experience, I personally liked FollowersPanda the most. The ordering process felt simple, the support was 24/7 responsive, and it seemed more streamer-focused than many of the other options. Of course, you should still compare the features yourself and choose the service that fits your channel best. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which platform you choose. And I'll see you in the next video with more helpful resources. Thank you.